Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can install fubo TV on Roku TV. So in this way I will tell you step by step how you can do it. So just follow the complete process. So first of all, open your mobile phone or laptop and open any browser. Now search for fubo TV installation guide. When you search this, the first website in front of you, you can see fubo Help Center. How do I install the fubo app? Just open this website. When you open this, just scroll down a little bit and here you will see an option called Roku. Here you can see, just open this Roku and now you can see they are showing you with pictures. They are guiding you and they are showing pictures for your easiness. So just follow these steps: the first step, the second, the third step, the fourth and five. So follow these five steps and your forward TV will be installed in your Roku.